We promised you part 2, and here we are with part 2 of our sweet treat of 43. So we are going to take 43
with the rumchata,
and some butterscotch
We're going to do
schnapps.
both.
What do you mean do both? We're going to try both, yes.
Are we going to combine the butterscotch and rumchata in
You
this?
could do that, but right now we're just going to do one with rumchata and one with butterscotch.
What is the one with rumchata called?
I don't remember. We'll have to look that up. I don't remember if it had a name. I just think it had rumchata. Rumchata. I never even heard of rumchata until we started doing these. So here's to rumchata. Oh.
It gives you that beachy flavor.
It is beachy. It's really good. It is good. Tasty, tasty. I'm telling you, for a holiday treat, I am telling you, you won't go wrong bringing a bottle of 43 and a bottle of schnapps with you. You know, schnapps goes with anything.
Ooh, got a little rumchata left in that.
Well, for some reason I bought 2 bottles of rumchata. I forgot we had one. So this is the butterscotch one, and I do remember it having a pretty good butterscotchy taste. So here's to...
What's this one called?
I don't know. Let's call it Sandy Beach beer. That's a little too sweet.
I like the rumchata better.
I do too. I have to agree.
Still good.
The butterscotch kind of over flavors everything else. It kind
Yeah, a little bit.
takes it over. Maybe if you just did a dab of the butterscotch in there, but the 43 can't go wrong with 43.
No,
it's gonna mix with a lot of stuff. So.
Chug it out of the bottle too.
Yeah, you could do it straight from the bottle. So, hope everybody has a great new year. Thanks for tuning in, and look for our, what was I working on the other day? The special of, a recap of all our tequilas. And I bet you probably know, please comment below on what you think our #1 tequila was for the year. And then we'll have more to come this coming year. So, again, don't forget, we're in and around Columbus, Ohio. We're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.
Go Browns!